We all have that one chore we dread. But for stay-at-home mom Sky, the never-ending laundry pile sparked an idea to earn thousands.
I've been a stay-at-home mom now for 8 years or so. I'm down to one kid at home, and he's proving to be rather expensive. So I was brainstorming just ways that maybe I could make money from home. I had a cleaning and organizing business 15 or so years ago. And the number one thing that my clients asked about when I did that was laundry. So I was like, well, what if I just offered a laundry service?
This wasn't a spur of the moment decision. Sky spent a full year planning.
I actually watched a quite larger operation for the better part of 6 to 8 months just to see how they charged, how their process worked.
She meticulously figured out the business side, pricing, legal steps, and how to reach customers.
Looking into how to start an LLC, how to properly insure myself, contacting every city that I service to see if I needed permits. And web design, that was pretty lengthy, but I was determined to do it myself.
Peachy Clean mobile laundry service officially launched on International Laundry Day. The start was humble, with $45 income the first month.
I wasn't discouraged. I knew that it would be a slow start.
But things soon began to spin. Word of mouth and Sky's personal touch propelled the business forward.
In 10 months, every single month, the amount of income that we brought in has gone up. At one point, we had increased our profits by 600% in a very short amount of time. I actually just recently made a TikTok on clearing about $2,400 for the month, which I think is pretty exceptional considering I don't put in 40 hours, I don't work full time.
Demand is so high, expansion is already on the horizon.
We have decided that because this has turned into such a lucrative business so quickly that we are going to expand, put additional units here at the house. The fact that we're already, making over $2,000 a month in a short amount of time is great. And I potentially see that could even double. That's definitely on the radar very soon, so I can push this to the next level.
Sky isn't just running a business, she's building a community online, sharing her journey to inspire others.
I thought that it might be interesting to make posts about what it really looks like start to finish. And I quickly realized that there were tons of other individuals who were obsessed with the idea. I would hope that would motivate people to just take a chance on themselves and, figure out a way to supplement their income, earn some fun money, or change their entire lives.